Hey, welcome back. Today we've got something cool. We've got the travel cover for the CVT Mount Shasta tent that just came in from CVT. So we're going to do a little unboxing for you here. The old one had some wear along the seams, and winter weather is approaching here in Utah, so thought it was a good time to go ahead and make the switch out to a fresh cover and keep everything inside protected. So we're just going to open this up and see what's inside. Awesome. It's amazing that they can get it into a box this small. Good job, CVT. Alright, so that box over there to the side. This way so we don't poke anything. Don't want any more holes in our new cover. There you go. Nice. That's awesome. That's gonna look good. It's nice and protected through the winter. So there you go. Looks pretty good. Let's go put it on the rig. See on the corners here, it's gotten pretty worn along that rail edge, and then also this turned out to be a problem. So full wear spots here right along the seams, but overall just needed a new one. Here's our new travel cover. See, a little bit thinner material here in this piping, it looks like. So it'll slide in and out more easily. Maybe we won't see some of that wear. It's about $150 to replace it plus shipping. And it got here in about 5 days from when I ordered it, so pretty good. Thanks, CVT. All right, let's put it on and see how it goes. These travel covers also come with a new replacement part that goes on the body of the tent to mate to, so that's good to know. And there you go. It was pretty easy. I think it took about 15 minutes overall. And I think the hardest part was getting the new mating edge to the cover into the channel underneath. That took a little bit of finagling and thinking through You start with the zipper end and feed that through facing down and to the inside, so that when you flip it up, it's in the correct orientation. So that was probably the hardest part, and then just finagling it around the corners. But the rest of it was really, really simple. At first I thought it didn't fit. I thought maybe I accidentally got the wrong cover, but I think what happened is the PVC on the old one had stretched and it just fit more easily than this new nice tight PVC. And as I kind of massaged all the corners into place, it came together and it was just fine. So look at the fit and the quality here as we check this out. The first thing I noticed was the seam taping. Looks like they did a pretty good job and reinforced it here across the corners where there's high stress points. So that was kind of a nice thing. I didn't notice that in the old cover. And they've also done that across the wear points for the ladder. And so hopefully this won't break through right here like my old cover did. The other thing that I noticed as I was putting it down was some of the edges here are somewhat still raw. Right here you'll see kind of the threads for the stitching are loose, and there's a raw edge there, which I didn't really love. We'll see how that weathers. By the way, CVT has not sponsored this video, so this is just my unabashed opinion of everything. There's some imperfections here in the way that it was sewn, hemmed up there at the end. So could use a little more attention to craftsmanship, a little more attention to detail. We'll see how it wears. The tent as a whole I've been really, really happy with. We've been in wind, we've been in rain, and had no leaks, no issues whatsoever. The only problem I've ever had with this tent has been the cover, and maybe that's just indicative of the cover design. I don't know. Maybe this got fixed in newer generations as well. So overall, easy install. You can easily do it yourself, no need to pay anyone. Worth the $150 to protect your $1,000 plus investment inside for the winter and the trail dust and all that. So overall, fairly satisfied, and I hope this was helpful to you guys. If it was, give us a like on the video if you would, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.